Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share your screen during video call on a Telegram PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Telegram application on my personal computer and I'm going to start a video call. For example, I'm going to start video call with this friend. So I'm going to click on this phone icon and then I'm going to start a video call. Okay, and now the video call is and if we want to share our screen, we can click on screencast. Click on screencast right here, and then you can choose screen you want to share to your friend. For example, I'm just going to choose the screen, and then we can click on share screen. Alright, and now as you can see that my screen has been shared, and I'm just going to add the call. Okay guys, and that's all the way to share screen during video call on Telegram PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.